Hi there. My name's Greg Dixon, and I'm here to talk about an investment opportunity that may appeal to you or not. I've My brother Doug and I have been looking at various crypto investment opportunities, and some have been pretty good, some have been extremely complex, and some of them have gone poof in the night because some are relying on investors signing up like a Ponzi scheme, so they can be very dicey. So if you're a little bit skeptical, I don't blame you. There's a lot of things to worry about, but this one here is called Coin Market Bull, and I'm just going to tell you a bit about it. So one of the things I like about this is it it's pretty easy to understand and pretty easy to explain and pretty easy to get going, and it pays 1.2% or more per day. So I've been playing with this for about a week. Actually, that's not true, about 2 months. But I've started a plan in the last week that I'm going to explain a little bit. And just before I get too far, I'm going to take this banner off because it's kind of in the way. And so my strategy is I'm going to put in, get it at $100, and then I'm going to put in at least $50 a week to uh, to build it up. And I'm just going to show you, in theory, what $50 a week can get for you. So here's a projection from the calculator site, and what it shows here is you start with $100 and then put in uh, $50 a week for a year. That's $2,400, and it's showing that it can build up to over $40,000 in a year. I'm just going to be very honest with you about this. Is that's a little bit optimistic because CoinMarketBull has a limit that you have to have at least $15, in your earnings before you can reinvest. So that's not really the true compounding. But here, the magic number at $15 a day is $1,250. So if you can get your account up to $1,250, this is the kind of interest it can generate. So it's showing here that over $97,000 in a year to build up to 98,000, and that's a considerable considerable gain on your money. And what the rule of thumb is always to never invest any more than you can afford. And for many of you, $50 a week is about the equivalent of what you pay on lottery tickets. So I think that's one of the way you can look at this is give it a shot. Um, Try it for put in, get going for the $100 is the minimum you need, and then build it up. And then once you can it's relatively easy to put money in, relatively easy to put money out, take money out, and you can, once you get comfortable with that, then I would suggest that um, you try building it up to that magic $1,250, and then let it grow for there. Or if you get to a point where you can be taking out 50% of your gains every day, so it's making money. You can take out 50% of your gains, and at some point you're going to get your whole investment in. So um, then all that growth is just really free money, free play money. And again, it's pretty easy to get started, pretty easy to transfer money in and out, and the gains are pretty good. It has a referral mechanism in it for those of you who like network marketing, and that you can grow your account very quickly with doing that too. But I think just for a pure investment, this is a pretty good return, 1.2% or more per day. Worth a trot. Okay, I've created a much longer demo where I demonstrate putting some of my own money into the account and growing it and showing you some of the things that were odd when I got started. The one warning I have, if you're going to do this on your own, is make sure whatever amount in Bitcoin that you're going to send from your wallet to into CoinMarketBull, make sure the number is exact, else it could get lost or not quite work the way you want. Some wallets calculate a fee, take it out of the total, and some add a fee on top. So make sure the number that CoinMarketBull is expecting is exactly what you're sending. But don't worry about that. If this is all kind of Greek to you, make an appointment with me. You can go to the website at gregdixon.net/CMB and make an appointment with me. You can text here, whatever platform this is. Could be YouTube or LinkedIn or whatever, and just say you want to learn more. And I'll talk to you and I'll show you what it is, and I'll tell you, what things in any of these things, what you need to watch out for, and what you have to be cautious with. The rule of thumb is always don't invest any more money than you can afford to lose, because it's a bit experimental. But this one looks very promising, and I'm looking forward to seeing my strategy build using $50 a week. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say for now. Go visit gregdixon.net/CMB and have fun.